Princess Diana, born Diana Frances Spencer on July 1, 1961, captured the hearts of millions around the world with her grace, compassion, and commitment to charitable causes. Her story is one of fairy tale beginnings, public scrutiny, and ultimately tragic endings. Diana grew up in Norfolk, England, the daughter of John Spencer, the 8th Earl Spencer, and Frances Shan Kyde. Her childhood was marked by privilege and challenges. Her parents' divorce when she was young had a profound impact on her, and Diana sought solace in her love for animals and dance. In 1981, Diana's life took an unexpected turn when she married Charles, Prince of Wales, in a lavish ceremony at St. Paul's Cathedral in London. The world watched as the shy, 20-year-old kindergarten teacher transformed into the Princess of Wales, a title that would forever change her life. As a member of the royal family, Diana faced intense scrutiny from the media. Her fashion choices, her public appearances, and her personal life were dissected in the tabloids. Despite the challenges, Diana's natural charm and warmth endeared her to the public, earning her the nickname the People's Princess. Diana embraced her role with enthusiasm, using her position to bring attention to important social issues. She became a tireless advocate for those facing adversity, including individuals affected by highs and landmine victims. Her compassion and hands-on approach set her apart from traditional royal engagements. However, cracks began to appear in Diana's fairy tale. Her marriage to Prince Charles faced difficulties, and the couple separated in 1992, eventually divorcing in 1996. The dissolution of her marriage took a toll on Diana's mental health, and she struggled with the pressures of life in the public eye. Despite personal challenges, Diana continued her philanthropic work. She was involved in numerous charitable organizations and humanitarian causes, earning her international acclaim. Her ability to connect with people from all walks of life made her a unique and beloved figure. Tragically, Princess Diana's life was cut short on August 31, 1997, in a car crash in the Pont d'Alma Tunnel in Paris. The news of her death sent shockwaves around the world. Diana's funeral, held at Westminster Abbey, was a solemn and emotional occasion that drew millions of mourners globally. Princess Diana's legacy lives on through her sons, Prince William and Prince Harry, and the charitable work she championed. Her impact on the world extends beyond her title, as she continues to be remembered as a compassionate, empathetic, and resilient woman who left an indelible mark on history.